So we're responding to the N7 junction 4 for a single car RTC. As soon as the bells go, you could go down the pole, get down there as quick as you can into your PPE, so your firefighting gear if you're on the fire engine, out to the vehicle, and your mobile, so you leave the station. En route you may be updated on any more information that's coming in. If it's a fire, the officer may tell you to go under air on the way to the fire, so as soon as you step off that fire engine, if there's somebody in a building, that you're ready to go in and get them straight away as soon as you arrive. If you're going to a road traffic collision, you may be putting on your high-vis vest on the way to the call. If it's a cardiac arrest, or if it's a paediatric patient, you may be looking up drug doses on what doses you're going to give, or you may be talking to the crew about a plan. So when we arrive, I'm going to do this, you're going to do this, and so from the time the bells go to the time you get there, you're working out your plan and an incident. But if it's a medical call, we may talk about what we're going to do when we get there. It's a great job where you have the opportunity to help people. It is a great privilege to be with somebody at their worst time. You know, it is a privilege to respond to something and help somebody at their worst time. It's a privilege to be there with them and help them.